How to change image with hover effect in your WIX? What I want is when I place my cursor above this image, I want another image to appear. And then to do it, you want to make sure to prepare one image. And then after that, you want to click right here at the top left of your screen on Add Elements. And then you want to go to Interactive right here. You want to click on it. And the boxes, you want to click on Hover Boxes. And you can choose any Hover Boxes template. For example, I want to choose this one. And click on Exit. And after that, you want to customize your hover boxes the same size as your image. And then after that, on the regular, you want to click on regular and you want to click on the image and you want to delete it just like that. And you want to delete the text too. And then delete any of the shape, image, or text on the regular, just like that. And then right here, you want to click again on your image that you want to change. And then you want to drag it down to the hover template until there was this word say attached to box. After that, you can release and the image will be appear in regular. And then after that, you want to go to hover like here. And on the hover, you want to make sure there are no text or image again. And after that, on hover, you want to choose this add to hover. And then you want to choose on image. On upload and import, you want to upload your image. And you can upload from your computer. And then after you upload from your computer, you just want to click on it. For example, I want to choose this one. And then I want to click on add to page. And then there you go. The hover will be like this. You can just customize again. So the size of the hover image is the same size as the image before it. After that, you can just click on the preview right here to see your hover image effect. So as you can see, there was this one image, and when I place my cursor on top of it, it will change to another image. And if I place to another place, it will disappear again and appear again. Just like that, if you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.